Hello, welcome to the first part of Vedic Maths. In this video, I will try to give you a very brief introduction to Vedas, and after that we will discuss some basic concepts of complement and Nicola method. These two things are very important if you want to do Vedic Maths. You will be able to do magic with numbers, but remember one thing, one person is able to show magic show after a lots of practice. In starting, some of you might think that no, I'm very much comfortable with the conventional method which I have learned right from my childhood. Okay, you might be very much comfortable, but unless and until you try to learn the new method, you won't be able to do the magic within short span of time. Okay, in this present era, in this era of competition, we need some X factor. So if you really want that X factor, then you have to go with some shortcut tricks because you have to save time in every question. I hope that I am able to convey my message and you will be regular, you will be thorough with practice. Let's proceed further. So Vedas. Now we will see what is meaning of Ved and what are Vedas. Ved means pure knowledge or precious knowledge. This pure knowledge was passed down through generations orally and finally it was written in Vedic Sanskrit. Yeah, Vedic Sanskrit. But what is the condition of Sanskrit in our country? Nowadays we find that most of the students run away from Sanskrit. They don't want to have Sanskrit paper as their optional also. So we have to do something. We have to create interest in our students so that we can preserve these things. There are many schools in foreign countries where Sanskrit slokas are part of their morning prayer. But in India, we all are aware of this thing. We have to do something. Vedas are divided broadly into four parts. Okay, broadly they are divided into four parts. The oldest one is Rig Veda, then we have Shama Veda, then we have Yajur Veda, and finally we have Atharva Veda. These Vedas are further divided into subparts which are known as Upaveda. When we see Atharva Veda, then we find Sthaptya Veda. And this Sthaptya Veda is subpart or subveda of Atharva Veda. Okay? That means it is Upaveda of Atharva Veda. When we go through Saptya Veda, then we find these tricks which we are going to learn under the topic Vedic Math. Now I would like to show you something. What if I ask you 99 into 97? What you are going to do? What if I tell you that by seeing the question you can give the answer without using pen and paper? Orally you can do this. What we have to do over here, we have to reduce this number by 1 and then we have to write the complement of this number which will be 03. My answer is ready. What if I ask you 999 into 879? What will be your answer? And how much time you are going to take? If you are asking me this question, then I will just write the answer as this and my answer is ready. I have not pre-calculated it. I am doing it in this moment. You can also do all these things. If I ask you to multiply 122 into 11, actually we don't have to multiply anything when it is multiplication with 11. There is simple addition. Answer of 122 into 11 will be 2 and 4 and 3 and 1. 1, 3, 4, 2 will be my answer of 122 into 11. You can also do all these things. Just you have to pay attention. You have to do regular practice. Again, I will say that practice is the key. Now we will see what is meaning of complements. But before that, we should have the idea of base numbers. 2-digit smallest number, 3-digit smallest number, 4-digit smallest number, 5-digit smallest number, and so on. All these numbers are base numbers. Okay, you have to keep this in your mind. Then if I ask you what will be complement of 7, that means it is a single digit number. I am asking you that what will be difference between this single digit number and its nearest base. So it is a single digit number, its nearest base will be 10. The base of a single digit number is smallest 2-digit number. The base of a double-digit number is smallest 3-digit number and so on. Okay. If I ask you what is complement of 82, it is a two-digit number. That means you have to go to its nearest base, which will be smallest three-digit number, that is 100. So you have to tell me the difference between 100 and 82. The difference between 100 and 82 will be called complement of 82. What will be 100 minus 82? 100 minus 82. We will be not using this method for subtraction. We will be using Nicola method. By use of Nicola method, I can tell you that complement of 82 is 18. What will complement of 7? It will be 3. Okay, I hope that you understood the concept of complement, you understood the meaning of complement. Let's take one more example. If I ask you complement of 789, it is a three-digit number. You have to go to its nearest base, which will be four-digit smallest number, that is 1000. Now you have to tell me the difference between 1000 and 789. The difference between 1000 and 789 will be complement of 789. Okay. Now we will see Nicola method. The full name of Nicola method is Nikhilam Navat Ashtaram Dashata. Okay, Nikhilam Navat Ashtaram Dashata. You don't have to remember this name. In short, you just remember Nicola method. What is there in Nicola method? You have to write it down. Please write it down. Nicola method says last from 10 and rest from 9. Please write it down. After that, I will let you know the meaning of this thing. Last from 10 and rest from 9. What is meaning of this? If I ask you complement of 92, that means I'm asking you what will be difference between this number and its nearest base, which is 100. What is difference between these two numbers? It is simply 8. But what if I ask you complement of 71? Okay, you have to quickly find the complement, and we will be using the Nicola method for finding the complement. It is saying last from 10. That means we have to subtract this last digit from 10 and rest of the digits will be subtracted from 9. Okay, so 10 minus 1 will give me 9. 9 minus 7 will give me 2. So 29 will be complement of 71. Similarly, if I ask you, just a minute. So if I ask you what will complement of 829, so by using Nicola method you can tell the answer. You have to subtract this last digit from 10 and rest of the digit from 9. What will be 9 minus 8? 1. 9 minus 2? 7. 10 minus 9? 1. So 171 will be complement of 829. Okay, if I ask you complement of 4782, what will be its complement? Then you have to apply Nicola method. You have to subtract this digit from 10 and you have to subtract rest of the digits from 9. 9 minus 4, it will be 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. And 10 minus 2, 8. So 5218 will be complement of 4782. I hope that you are getting all these things, and please keep this in your mind that you have to do regular practice. Take any random number and try to find its complement with the help of Nicola method. Ask your friend, ask your brother, ask your sister, ask your parents to give you any random number and try to tell them the complement of that particular number as soon as possible. This will be your mental practice. You don't have to use pen and paper. Okay, you can use calculator or mobile phones just for checking that whether the answer given by you is correct or not. Okay, but try to do mental calculation and try to increase your speed. This is the foundation. If you are going to have a firm foundation, then Vedic Maths will be easy for you. That's all in this video. You take these numbers as homework and try to find the complement of these numbers with the help of Nicola method. Try to calculate mentally and write the answer only in your paper. And with the help of calculator, check it. With the help of your mobile phone, check it. Otherwise, do not use your mobile phone for calculating the complements. Use Nicola method and practice as much as you can. That's all in this video. If you think that this video is going to help you, then please do like this video, please do share this video, and please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon for more updates. I will catch you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.